Ideophones. Ideophones are words that function adverbially because they add color to the description of an action or quality of a noun. Many of them are imitative of sound and are used to describe the manner in which an action takes place or the superlative degree of the state in which the noun or adjective could find itself. There are no English or Afrikaans equivalents for ideophones, and the closest one can get is to compare them with onomatopoeic words such as bang or crash or boom or wham or whatever, or expressions such as blood red, snow white, sopping wet, and so on. But here are some examples. Hamba ngo ngalendlela. Go straight along this road. Here we're describing the manner of the action. Wasebenza egadini wabila wathi chopho ngenxa yobushushu belanga. He worked in the garden and sweated profusely, in other words, like a pig, because of the heat of the sun. Here we describe the state of the condition. Kufuneka abafundi banxibe ihempe ezimhlophe qha xa behamba isikolo. The pupils have to wear snow white shirts when they go to school. And here we're describing the state of the shirts. Wati gum umpu. The gun went off with a loud report or bang. And here we are describing the sound. Ideophones are useful to know because of the color that they add to conversation. And as we can see from the last example, that one over there, many are used, in fact the majority are used together with the verb ti, as you can see there, wati, boom. But of course there are exceptions to this. It's impossible to list all of the ideophones, but here are just some common examples for you. Ukuti chwaka, to be silent. Ukuti shwaka, to disappear. Ukuti gri, to suddenly appear. Ukuti nga, to be surprised. Ukuti hlasi, to grab. Ukuti jwi, to throw away. Ukuti nga, to sit close, stuck to one another. Ukuti qwi, qwi, to do something quickly and with ease. Ukuti qikili, to fall over and lie on one's back. Ukuti ja, to frown at with displeasure. As mentioned, there are many others that are used without ti, and here are just some examples. Ukulala yoyi, to sleep soundly. Ukungakwazi tu, to have no idea or have not know what to do. Ukwenza qho, to do something frequently. Ukufana nqwa, to resemble exactly. Ukuhamba ze, to walk around naked. Ukuba zele qhu, to be full, chock-a-block. Bomvu qwe, blood red. Ukoma kere, to be bone dry. Ukunxila manzi, to be totally drunk. And of course there are many, many more. But this is just to give you an idea. Enkosi kakhulu.